Yo, what is up everybody? So today I'm going to actually make an unboxing of a hearing device or hearing gadget that is always being compared between the Apple and Android version of it. So the device I'm going to share today is going to be the Android version of it, and I'm also going to share some feedbacks on how it feels when it is being compared to Apple Airpods Pro. Does it really worth the price? Alright, so without further ado, let's go into it. So the gadget that you're going to see today is this one. This is the Mi True Wireless Earphone that was given to me by Urban Republic to share the user experience, but I have not been using it for some time. I got this in February if I'm not wrong, before we had our second or third lockdown, and then I've been keeping it up until now. So this time today I'm going to actually just unbox and share how does it feel and does it really worth the price. The price tag is still here. This device costs $329, but I will also be sharing the latest price that you can actually get through from their website. Alright, so aside from unboxing, I'll also be sharing a side-to-side comparison, a very quick comparison between this and Apple Airpods Pro to see how does it really perform. Alright, let's go. Alright, there you go guys. So this is a box of it. So the box is actually quite simple with some distributions, and it's verified by MCMC. Right, and then also the display, the image of it, the price tag, sorry, I will remove it. And then these are all the key benefits that are being listed. So we have True Wireless. Alright, and then they also provide touch control, where you can just touch the earphone for different commands, right? So if you are looking at this, this is about 58 grams and it's being charged with Type-C, USB Type-C, and it has got Bluetooth 4.2. Right, so these are the key benefits. Let me go into the box and you should be able to see more of it. So because the box is actually relatively simple, I'm not going to use any cartoon. It's just going to be my nails and the tape that is between me and the box, because I want to keep the box intact as much as I can, so I'm not going to damage it. Right, so I got into the box. Let's see what we have inside here. So it's gonna be a very quick open and pull operation. So once you get everything out, the box is empty. So let's throw this aside. So first thing that's gonna come to your face is, I think it's a quick guide, right? So a lot of tips here. There are about 3 tips in different languages, right? So it always asks you to refer to illustration on how to take out, and if there's an unusual issue during the use, put it back to the charging case, and then we can press and hold the function button to 2 seconds to reset again. And then if there are too many signal interferences, then the earphone might be disconnected from your phone. So this is what it is telling us here. Alright, so into the hero himself, right? So out from the box, both of these earphones is not going to be in the charging case. It's going to be separated like this, right? So I'm going to remove it one by one, but let's take out all the other accessories that we have. Right, so underneath here there is a USB-C cable being provided. I think these are additional earbuds that comes with it in case you have lost it, right? And then inside here also we have got a whole lot more of menus and also some user guides. So you know what, honestly, let's put this aside. What else do we have? Okay, the warranty card is also in the box, right? Put the warranty card aside, and that's all. You are done with all the readings and menus. It's all left with the device right now. So let's take out the charging case first of all. Yeah, so this is a charging case. I think it looks quite sleek and it looks quite clean because it can stand on its own, right? Unlike AirPods, you cannot stand it, you have to lay it flat, right? So let's peel this off so that I can take out the earphone later and slot it in, right? Let's go. I'm not gonna peel everything off because I just want to keep this. Right, so let me put this aside. Okay, so the box is out. So there's only one button here. The charging port is at the bottom. These are the guides, right? So when you open it up, this is how it looks. Okay, right, next let's take out the earphone now, shall we? Right, so it's just being taped with one single tape here. So if you open it up, you will be able to take out both of the earphone. All right, okay, then take out both at once. So the earphone at first glance, it feels very it has got quite some weight to it. Honestly, it feels sturdy, and the plastic feel is the smooth finishing. It's kind of like matte glass that you get on the back of iPhone 11, 12 Pro, 11, 12. Yeah, and it feels quite good. Right, same goes to the case actually. So if I try to put it in like this and like this is how it looks. Right, so right now the case is actually out of battery. Let me try to give it a quick charge and then I'll come back to you later. Alright, for faster resolution or faster unboxing views for you, so I've managed to charge this with a power bank. So at this stage, I think it is actually charging, hence the white light is actually blinking. So to find out more about the user's experience on how does it feel on ear and how does it feel comparing to Apple AirPods Pro, because both device gadgets, they are at a different level, right? So this costs about 300 and Apple AirPods Pro cost about 900. There's almost 3 times difference, right? So I will be doing a side-to-side comparison in another video. Right, so a very quick comparison of Apple AirPods Pro and the Hero this time, the Mi True Wireless earphone, right? So from the size of it, I think they look more or less the same, but of course Mi True Wireless is a bit thicker, and AirPods Pro, of course, because it's in the case right now. So if we let me take it out, you can look at it's more of a circular round shape, and this is more of a rectangular square shape, right? So of course from the looks, I think this is slightly smaller, this is larger. But the good thing I like about Mi True Wireless earphone is that the ability to stand by its own. Unlike this one, you actually have to lay it down all the time, right? And to take out is easy, just open it up, then you can lift it up. So in terms of weight, I think they weigh about the same. So there is really not much difference or experience to compare over here. But in terms of the quality, you can see light refraction on this plastic case, right? Like this one, it is more of a matte plastic and it's smooth finishing. So this is glossy finishing, right? So that's why you're able to see the differences. Yep, so these are the comparisons. All right, so that's all for the unboxing this time around of Mi True Wireless earphone provided by Mi himself, right? So next time I'll be doing a comparison between this and also Apple AirPods Pro to really give you a side-to-side comparison to have a better feel on what does it feel between these two devices, because they are both at a different price range and users should know which one to pick from the best, right? Whether it has a difference of sound quality, connectivity, or battery longevity, right? So I'm gonna review all of this in the next video, so don't forget to stay tuned. All right, see you.